let me tell you something. Jody, how you met?
Here's Joan, my eldest sister Joan just whispered in my ear. Please tell them how being and you met. Okay, so here is how we met. Joan, my sister, she's there. She's there in her table in black with gold. She just came from the U.S., from San Francisco, and she had a tutor who came all the way from San Francisco to follow up his intentions with my sister. So at that time, my dad and my mom were strict, that generation of ours. So Joan could not go out with him alone. So she had to have some our family, on the father side, the mom side, our new couple.
Happy birthday.